Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to give you a quick overview of the AliDropship TikTok dropshipping stuff. So AliDropship is a big platform when it comes to dropshipping. So they major on WordPress. So just like Shopify, AliDropship is a WordPress dropshipping platform that give you access to different plugins that you need to optimize your WordPress dropshipping stuff. So just like Shopify have different dropshipping apps, AliDropship also have different dropshipping plugins that you can use to optimize your store. And one of their packages is this TikTok dropshipping store. So what is this TikTok dropshipping store you can get access to from AliDropship? So this is basically a TikTok dropshipping website that comes with TikTok best-selling products that you can plug in and start promoting. Immediately you have access to the TikTok dropshipping store. So it's a fully functional dropshipping store. It comes with 100 viral TikTok dropshipping product, as you can see here, and it also comes with product videos. Okay, so all of the products you're going to be getting access to on the store also comes with a video that you can use to promote them on TikTok. So they also come with a ready to use marketing campaign that you can use to sell the product. So for example, like if you want to promote the product on TikTok, you're also going to gain access to TikTok ad targeting. You're going to know exactly where and who to target when you want to promote this product. So this is basically what the AliDropship TikTok dropshipping store is all about. All right, so let's take a look at the TikTok dropshipping store and see what you can expect when you gain access to this AliDropship package. All right, so as you can see, it comes in different package. So they have the package of silver plan, which is $99, and they have another package which is the gold plan of $149, and they have another plan which is the platinum plan that is going to cost you $199. So each of the plan comes with a best-selling product on TikTok that you can start promoting. Now these are products they've tested themselves and they are certain that this product is performing well. So these are the products you're going to gain access to on your TikTok dropshipping website. So for the first plan, the TikTok best-selling product you're going to gain access to is 50 TikTok products. So the gold plan, which is the $149 plan, is going to give you access to 75 TikTok best-selling product, and the platinum plan, which is the $199 plan, is going to give you access to 100 TikTok best-selling product. Now the good thing is that you can also import product directly from AliExpress. So the product they're going to be giving you access to are the product they are hosting themselves. So whenever you make a sale for this product, they'll be the one to package the product and deliver the product on your behalf. But if you also want to dropship on AliExpress, if you want to import product from AliExpress, you can also integrate your TikTok dropshipping website with AliExpress and import product directly from AliExpress to your dropshipping store. So when it comes to monthly orders, that is the orders you can receive on your store, all of the packages are unlimited. So you can have unlimited orders on your store and they are going to fulfill all of this order on your behalf. So for worldwide shipping, they ship to any country in the world, so you can use them for worldwide shipping. So whichever of the package you're going to be going for, if it's the basic and if it's the silver plan, which is the $99 plan, it's going to take them 5 days. It's going to take them 5 days to deliver the website to you. So for the next plan, which is the gold plan, it's going to take them 6 business days for them to deliver the package to you, and the last plan, which is the platinum plan, is going to take them 7 business days for them to deliver the package to you. So what is it that you're going to be gaining access to? You're going to gain access to a fully created dropshipping website with trending product on TikTok. All you have to do after you make payment is to go over to TikTok and start promoting this product. The good thing about this product is that all of them comes with a TikTok unique video that you can use to promote them on the TikTok platform. So these are example of the kind of videos you can gain access to whenever you have the product on your store. So they comes with TikTok video that you can use to promote the product on your TikTok ad account. So you're also going to gain access to Ad Insight, that is where you're going to be targeting the kind of people you should target and several others things like that. So this is basically what you're going to be gaining access to when you subscribe to the AliDropship TikTok dropshipping store. So this is an Azure free dropshipping website that is fully built by AliDropship. So all you have to do is gain access to the store, then start promoting the product, and when you start making order, they are also going to be the one to deliver the product on your behalf. So the only hard thing you have to do is to promote the product on TikTok. All right, so this is basically how to go about it. So what are your thoughts about this AliDropship TikTok dropshipping store? If you have any suggestion or question about the store, please go to the comment section, drop your comment there, and let me know what you think about this store. All right, so this is basically how to go about it. So if you like the video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are yet to subscribe to the YouTube channel, please subscribe so you can get more videos like this. All right, so thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.